everyone, my name is Shannon. Welcome to King Family Farm and welcome to the grow room in my basement. I'm happy to have you here today. I've been potting up some of my peppers and I thought I would show you how I prune them at this stage to encourage more blossoms. So I have a variety of hot peppers here, or hot-ish peppers. These ones here are Sugar Rush Peach. Now this particular one is in real need of pinching because you can see it's actually getting ready to bloom and we don't want it to bloom in the house. So what we're going to do, and I know this terrifies some people, but we're going to pinch that center growth off, and mostly because I don't want it to bloom in the house. But the other reason is it will encourage, see, right, we're going to go right there and we're just going to take all that off. So you can see this is everything I pinched off right there, all the buds and everything. So the reason we're doing this is to encourage it to put out more branches. And so what will happen is you can kind of see right here and here and in the crooks, it's going to put out more branches. As it grows, it'll get bushier. And in doing so, what will happen is you will get more blossoms and more fruit. Now, we're in New Brunswick, so I only have about 80 good growing days. I'm only going to pinch these once because I need it to recover, grow, blossom, and ripen. If you're living somewhere further south that has a significantly long growing season, probably Virginia and down, if you're on the eastern seaboard, you could probably do this one more time. So let it recover and you'll see those branches will come out and you can pinch those new branches again and get it to be bushier, and you will have enough time for it to flower, fruit, and ripen. We just don't have that time here. So, and I don't heat a greenhouse long enough for that. So we just pinch once. So this is another Sugar Rush Peach. And I'm just going to, I think I might actually let this one grow a little longer. Oh no, we're going to get right in there. And I'm just going to take out the growth tip. Oops, don't squish the leaves. So these, I had bumped them up into, I had bumped them up into a 3.5 inch pot. So again, we're just going to get in here and pinch out that growth tip. So that's some Sugar Rush Peach. This is a Habanero Francisca, and you can see it's a bushier, stockier plant to begin with, but we're still going to get in there and get that growth tip, just the very tip, and pinch it out, and that's it. And I didn't take much off of that. That's all I took. So, and this one is bigger. This is a taller, leaner plant. You want it to be a little bushier. This is a Campanacci. And I'm just going to get in there again. See the very, very, very tip? And we're just going to get in there again and pinch that off. And that's it. And it's just going to encourage these shoots that are already starting to just take off. And that's it. That's how you prune peppers. Some people will tell you it's not necessary. I find I get more fruit, so that's why I do it. It works for me. Again, in this area, I only do it once. I find doing it again is just kind of unnecessary. This is a shishito. That you can see I've already taken the growth tip out of this one. What else have I got here? I got a whole bunch of peppers. Here's an Emerald Fire jalapeno that I haven't pinched. And I'll just get in there and take that growth tip out. You want it to have at least 3 sets of leaves. So you've got 1, 2, 3. 3 sets of true leaves before you start pinching that tip. 1, There's 2, 3, and you can see it's starting another one. We just took the tip out, and it'll just encourage it to branch out in there. So that's it, guys. That's how you get more peppers. It's pretty simple. These guys are actually going to go back under my grow lights because it's like a very exciting, maybe 40 degrees out there today. We're going to be a while yet before we plant peppers. I won't be potting these up again, though. They'll go from a 3.5-inch pot to the ground, and they'll get quite bushy and big before I do that. So, and pinching them encourages them to be a bushier, stockier plant before they go in the ground. So that's kind of it, guys. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and we'll see you here next time on the farm.